Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and today I am talking about forgiveness and the days of awe, which are the 10 days in between Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. I am putting out videos all year round in a series I'm calling Jewish Kids from Scratch for anyone who is raising their kids Jewish or wants to raise their kids Jewish, but you don't know where to start. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll get a notification anytime I put out a new video. I have also put a lot of links in the description box below. So if you're interested in delving a little deeper into the things that I've talked about today, there are resources for you down there. We have just celebrated Rosh Hashanah with the excitement that comes with the start of a new year, and we are leading up to Yom Kippur, which is a more solemn holiday where we ask for repentance and really make our commitments for the year to come. And the work that we do in the middle is called the Work of TShuvah, which means coming back to yourself, back to our moral centers, back to our ethical center, our Jewish practice, and who we really want to be in this year to come. The Jewish expectation is never that we're perfect. We are always works in progress. And so it's really about evaluating how we did in the previous year. It's about making amends with the people we need to make amends with, and so that we can start the year fresh. I love the idea that, what we did yesterday doesn't need to be what we do tomorrow. According to our Jewish tradition, God cannot forgive us for things that we have done to harm a person, intentionally or unintentionally. So during these 10 days, we are supposed to evaluate and apologize. So this is the time when I think about friends that I have been selfish with. Maybe I talked about myself too much instead of reaching out and hearing how they're doing, or maybe someone was going through a hard time and I didn't know what to say and I didn't know what to do, and I intended to reach out, but I never did. So I failed them in that way. That I have not lived up to my own, ethical standards, moral standards. I could do better. I have been short-tempered with my kids. I have lost my patience. I have maybe not been as patient as I should have been with my spouse. So these are the times when I need to own up to that and say I'm sorry. And one of the wonderful things about this, and one of the wonderful things about this time of year, is the acknowledgement that then we can say goodbye to those things. This work of TShuvah is not meant to make you feel bad about yourself, the ways that you have failed yourself in the last year. It is to acknowledge them and let yourself go, free yourself of them so that you can start a new year with new intentions. And the idea is that the work that you do right now sets the tone for the year to come. So it will be a good year and we will do better. And next year we will come back here and we will do this again, because it is a circle and we are constantly working to just be better people. If one of your commitments for the new year is to connect more with your Jewish practice, don't forget to subscribe, sign up for my emails. Check out all those other links I have below. Connect with me on social media. I really want this to be a conversation between all of us. And have a beautiful new year. Shana Tova.